What's up guys? I'm back here with another food review for you. I chose something that I saw in my local Target called Awesome Sauce. This is one of the new Goldfish flavors, a sweet, smoky, tangy. Let's see. So they're just the regular original, and whatever the sauce is, we'll try it. To me, it kind of tastes like maybe like a Chick-fil-A sauce, but a little bit more smoke to it. But they are good. Goldfish are always good snacks with maybe some fresh cheese or whatever. But Goldfish, awesome sauce. I give them a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and share. And Milo and I will see you on the next one. Have a good night, guys.